Hi, this is Mr. Ryan here, and I'm here to show you how to access your online textbook for your science class. The first thing you do is go to colonial.org. It's going to take you to our website. And on our website, you're logging in as a student. Click Students, Middle School. And this takes you to all our important links, what's happening at CMS, all kinds of messages and announcements. But we're going to go to Power School because that's what we use for this activity. And you're going to log into your student account using your student account and username. You type in your password or username, then you type in your password and then sign in incorrectly. There you go. So we sign in and we're going to go here and we go to Pearson Courses because our textbook is a Pearson course. Now on Pearson Courses, it'll open up this. You may have other textbooks in here and other things, but you're going to click the Elevate Science book. This will open up our thing and you get your choices. If it's the first time you've ever done this, you're going to have to set up your classes and set up your textbook, which is a different format. But most of you should have done that by now. And you're going to browse your textbook. That's the picture on the cover. And then it goes by, they call topics, like the chapters. So today we're on topic 1, living things, and we're going to read about plants and animals. So our lesson 4, we click that and it takes us to here. There's a whole lot of things, different activities, different games, worksheets, all kinds of things. But what we're mostly interested in is the e-text. So we click on the e-text and it opens up our e-text. And on our e-text, it's going to look slightly different from our book, but all the words are going to be exactly the same. In order to listen to the book, you're going to click this play button and read all from the text. Okay. You can also skip pages here to go to the next available page. All right. And you can download and complete activities if you'd like to. But for the most part, we're looking at obtaining the information from reading the text. You can also skip, highlight, underline, all different things and features you can do during this activity. So different activities, different features, different things you can do. But one of the best ways to your e-text is follow these directions and try this on your own. So thanks for listening. Hopefully this helps. From Bill Rye, the Science Guy.